We arrange practical test on the 16th, as I told. 16th practical test is there. Till will not take permission. Want to take permission? No. Permission wake up advance, sir. No? Okay. We'll take till one second. Till group administration. Till group administration, that means before permission started, please observe. Before permission started, what all the concept we covered, everything is there. That means first starting with creating file, process, top command, everything except permission. Hard link, soft link, compression, everything is there. Hard link, soft link, compression, D-sh, start command, slash terminal, network configuration, everything will be there till group administration. Till group administration, till that is before permission concept, not till group administration. Till before permission, what are the concept we covered, everything is there. On 16th. 16th class will be at maybe what's the time today? 9:50 to 10:45. We have AWS. What is AWS here? We have on Thursday 9:15. I'm thinking group. And Wednesday, Friday also will be there AWS. And there will be only your class. 9:30, 11. 11 to 12 will be the class. After 12 o'clock, practical. 11 to 12, Linux class. 11 to 12, Linux class. After 12, there will be practical. Okay? Please speak. 1 hour. People missing practical test, they can come on Sunday. People who are not intentionally missing. People who have office. No. People who have office, they can come. Only Aditya is working. Only have office on the day. Rest all the people should attend the practical test. If you missing practical test, loss for you guys only, sir. Whether you do good, bad, that is last. First you should try. Without trying, whenever you want to take practical test, you can come on all the weekend whenever you want. But my suggestion to practice from each batch, I am going to arrange 3 practical tests till group admit till this concept one. After permission one, after till partition, then project. 3 to 4 practical tests, I am going to arrange it. But every weekend, practical test will be there. Those who want to attend the practical test, they can inform me before one day and they can inform me on Saturday and they can come on Sunday after finishing course also. After finishing course also, you can come. Even the 3 batch old people also will coming. Even 1 people coming also, it's okay. No issue for me. Saturday you can bring me, Sunday you can come for practical, but this is compulsory practical. This you are supposed to attend. If you are not practicing, until you arrange practical, a lot of people won't practice something. Only fluke answers, not with a confident answer. Doing is different, telling is different. When you do, you should practically do and show to me. Practical test will be like this only. I am going to comment it with each person. I am going to verify the answer. I am going to verify. That will be good enough. You will also get confidence. I will also confidence enough about what the people will do. Who is going to do good in practical test, all 6 practical tests, I can refer in my mind. That is input from me. People will do good. Until you give me something, I won't give. Correct, no, sir? Yes, that's great. Observe, sir. I can forward my resume. People who do good, I can write recommendation. Leave company reference. I can write a recommendation in LinkedIn. LinkedIn only I'm going to speak for 3 hours. I'm going to write a recommendation for you guys who do good in practical test. Not one. You should take 4 practical tests till user administration one, till permission one, till partition one. Then last is project. If for all the 4 practical tests you're doing good, I have recorded the test or results also, sir. Don't feel like Praveen is telling simply. I have all the records here. People who do good, I record your practical test result. So I'll write a recommendation in LinkedIn. Leave the reference. Recommendation will help you a lot. I can write a comment on you. You can't write on your friend's profile. You can't write on yours. You can write. They will check who is writing the comment. If they check, if I write a recommendation for you, they'll check my profile. Praveen having 9+ year experience in Linux, AWS, shell scripting, Python, and DevOps. So your profile confidence will increase. Correct? That I can't write simply. That you should do good in that one. Then I can do. Correct, no, sir? Start it now. Let's start with the questions first. We didn't discuss any questions the past 3 days. Sir, sir, come back. Start with Bhagav. What is the permission required to access the file? What is the permission required to add a content to a file first?
Read, write.
What is the permission required to edit a file? What is the permission required to edit a file? Correct? Wrong. Sure. What is the permission required to append a content to file? Wrong, sir. Stop. What is the permission required to append a content to a file? What is the permission required to append one file ಗೆ content add ಮಾಡೋದು same, delete ಮಾಡೋದು same, append ಮಾಡೋದು same, overwrite also. What is the permission required? Read, write or read, write, execute? No consent. You madam. What is the permission required to append a content to your file? Sir. Sir. What is the permission required to access the directory, madam? Wrong. Stop. What is the permission required to access the directory? Only one answer I require. Sir. What is the permission required to create a file inside the directory? Anil, what is the permission required to create and delete a file inside directory? How to know the current directory permission? Akash, yes sir. Tell me, sir. What is the permission? How to know the current directory permission? First.
LSF and LT dot.
Aditya, a question like on directory. On the directory, every user should be able to create a file inside directory, delete a file inside directory, and they should be able to add a content to all the existing files also. Have on directory, every user, owner, group, others, everyone should be able to create a file inside directory, delete a file inside directory. They should be able to add a content to all the existing files under the directory. Permission is very important. You should be good at it. Please keep in mind. Aman, how to know user is part of how many groups? Vivek. Correct? Okay. You madam. How to verify a particular group called as G October is available in my server or not? G October group name is available in my server or not? Cat etc. Varun. In G October group name, Praveen is available or not? How to verify? Cat etc. My question, sir. G October group name, Praveen is available or not? I need to verify. Repeat, man.
Cat etc.
Group name ಯಾವುದು? Cat etc. ಅದು G October ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾ? Cat etc. August group is there for me. Okay. Won't come now, sir. The group August. Yes, sir. First you need to verify the group name. ಈ group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Cat ETC group pipeline grep of G August. Group name will come. In this group name, how to verify Praveen is there? You got the group name here. The group of Praveen is there. Verify ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir? I don't want to see manually. I want to check with the command. Output is coming now. This group Praveen is there or not? How to verify? What you know I can answer? Yes. What I want to search, sir? Praveen. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಟ್ರೈ ಸರ್ that's it. We got the output of group pipeline graph. Praveen ಇದ್ರೆ empty Praveen ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ so it come empty. I'll check for Abhi. It comes up Abhi. User is part of how many groups is one. Praveen is part of one group space username. Group contain particular user or not? Yes or no? User Praveen is part of how many groups? Group space Abhi. Abhi is part of two groups. How's correct? ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. I know the group name cat etc group pipeline grep of group name again pipeline grep of name which you want to check. Yes, no. Yes, sir. Varun sir. Next person, you sir. What are different primary group and secondary group? You only sir. What you know I can answer. Primary and secondary group. Next person. What you know I can answer. Don't stop yourself. Don't follow your friends who are not answering. Tell me. Different primary and secondary group. You sir. Decided not to tell you three. It's not going to work, sir. Madam, can you try? Tell me, madam. Primary group and secondary group difference. Can you try, sir? Oh, you got done right. What is the functionality of primary and secondary? Can you try?
Primary group only used for particular user. Secondary group was.
What's the advantage you're getting primary and secondary? Primary, what is the advantage? Can you explain me, sir? Primary and secondary group? Anyone?
Primary group, whenever a user creates a file, defaultly the group name will be primary group. In secondary groups, a user is a part of many groups, which are secondary groups.
Whenever Praveen creates a file, automatically group name should come in the file. For that, primary group can be only one. Secondary group can be multiple. Primary group is only one, that doesn't functionality. First importance is what? I have one condition whenever I create a file, group name G10 should come. Karthik condition whenever he create a file, group name should come as a G20. Every user can have different condition. That is a major function. It's a user mode hyphen small t. Yes or no, sir? 2 minutes. How to remove user from a group? How to delete a user completely, madam? How to delete a user? How to delete a user? You. How to know the details of one user completely? Details of one user. Details of one user completely. Don't speak now. Caddy password one command. Apart from another command we learned. That is for password. I want to know the complete user details. You answered, madam, last time. CHH hyphen L space username. Will show the when is the account created, account expired, password expired. That also you should know. Yes, sir. How to know the inode of the file? Inode of the file. Oh. Inode of the file, sir. I have one file. I would like to know the inode number. Don't speak, sir. To us. Inode of the file. Inode of the file. Try, madam. Okay. Good. Can you explain me difference between the or different is hard link and soft link? Hard link मतलब soft link. Madam.
If we change in duplicate file or original file, it will reflect in both. Hard link files have same inode numbers. Hard link cannot apply for directory or cross link.
Soft link.
Soft link, it is a pointer. Software link has different inode numbers from original file. It is applied for both directory and the cross link. Command is ln-s.
I student answer. Okay. I would like to know the size of the file. She answered today. I would like to know size of the file, madam. Size of the file. Let's say 5. I would like to know the size. Don't click. Size of the file. You madam. Do you icon? Space file name. Nowadays your performance is very. Keep that in mind, madam. Please. Observe. Now, today we are going to discuss about the Umask. Yesterday I completed a permission. Today we are going to discuss about the Umask. Very important. Not a permission concept, but important. But how it is going to be important that we are going to discuss today. Please observe. Praveen having on condition, please understand, sir. Praveen having on condition. Whenever he creates a file, he would like to have the file to get a 640 permission. Aditya having on condition. Whenever he creates a file, he would like to have the file to be created with the 604 permission. Karthik having a condition. Whenever he creates a file, 600 permission should come automatically. chmod command use ಮಾಡೋದು once file got created. chmod command is used for existing files and folders. Now during the birth of the file, during the creation of the file only, automatically permission should be assigned. It can be file or folder. File or folder, how to do that one, that I am going to discuss today. That is the topic we are going to discuss today. Getting my point, sir? Clear? No. Okay. We will discuss about that thing. Then we can see what the topics are. Please practice, sir. Make time. Practice. That is the only thing we can help you. Please observe now. Now, let me take any one user which I created recently. Any user I created, sir? August 8 I'll take. Okay. Let me do it. You can take any user. Let me log in first. First I'll do it. Yeah, dot text. Not really. Don't do it as a root user. Log in as a normal user. Log in as a anyone normal user, any user. Log in as any normal user. Create a one file, sir, and verify the permission. Log in as a normal user. Create a one file and verify the permission. Correct, sir? Understood? Yes, no. Clear? Done? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me log in. Question. Whenever, please observe. Whenever August 8 creates a file, automatically file should have the four zero. No. Right now in ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 664 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Correct? It's a you may be different also, no issue. 664 will be there mostly. Correct, sir? Now observe. Even if they different also, no problem. Observe. Now nobody asked me a question. While creating file, how the permissions are assigned? File create ch mode use ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ nobody got that doubt, sir? No madam, no. Okay, observe now. Clear? Observe now please observe, keep your mind here, sir, please. Now in condition here, whenever August 8 creates a file, automatically file should have permission 640. Right now file create ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು permission ಬಂತು 664 ಬಂತು. Read write. Correct? What is the maximum file permission, sir? 666. 666 the maximum file permission, sir? Yes, sir. Maximum formula for Umask. First I'll do it, later you're going to do it, not now. Just keep your mind here. Formula is maximum permission minus required permission. This is the formula. For the maximum permission 666. Required permission 640. How to do subtraction like this? Yes, sir. What is the permission now? What is the Umask? Subtract money. Repeat. 0 2 6. This is the Umask. Maximum permission minus required permission is the Umask value. ಈ Umask apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ 640 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This Umask if you apply, after applying Umask if you create a file, previously 666 itto, 664 itto. After applying Umask if I create a file, I'll get a file permission 640. That we're going to do. Later I'm going to give different question for you. First bench one question, first and second bench one question, third and fourth bench one question, this row one question, different permission you should do. Then only you can learn. No. I'm going to apply, please observe. First I'm going to do it. Please observe. Umask 026. Right? Now I'm going to create a new file, new.text. Correct? ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ 640 ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೊಸ ಫೈಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes or no? 640. Previously getting 664, sir. Yes, no. Correct? Wait for some time. Don't do. I'm going to give this only topic we're going to do today. No need to get hurry. Please understand. I'm going to fresh log in August 8 again. Again I'm going to create a new file. I'll do ls-ltr HHH. In ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Again 664 only. What the thing we done here, it is not permanent. It is only effective for that particular session only. I want to make any changes for user level permanent. Where what to do? ETC for server level. I want to take user level. User level, any changes you want to do permanently. Sure, I get back. Bash profile. Correct, sir. User login and first to file execute bash profile. Any changes you want to do permanently, bash profile you need to add it. Then only it will effective during login only. Now you must apply on the command line only. This will effective only for this particular session, not for new session. When you open new session, bash profile will load. Bash profile you must can add mandila now. So it will take the default permission. Now I'm going to add this Umask in bash profile. After that I log in. I'm going to create a new file. At that time 640. Yes or no? You don't need to do terminal wise. You need to do directly bash profile only after I complete. Understanding my point, sir? Let me open bash profile, please, Abda. Yeah, I'm in home directory, right? Yeah. Vim dot bash underscore profile. Go to last line. You must 0 to 6, right? Correct, right? 0 to 6. Okay. Now it will have bash profile effective only from new session, not from existing session. I'll open new session. I'll log in Agash 8 now. I'll touch permanent. Anything on name I'll give. Correct? Now I'll do, it should get the 640. Bandidya? Understood? Yes? No? Correct, sir? This thing you people going to do. For that, I'm going to compose a question. You people go to do. Not now. Not now, not now. One second, one second. First bench. Both the way. First bench. First bench. Don't feel like school. I guess I want to make you understand, so I'm doing like this, sir. Please don't feel making too much. Okay, this I follow for all the batch, not only that. I'll give 660. First bench permission. This is the permission you should get. 660 is the permission you need to calculate. Second bench, both the way. Second bench will give 640. Okay. Third bench. Don't discuss it yourself. Only for Deepak separate question. I'll give separate question for you. Don't do now. Okay. Third bench 606. Third bench and you're only one. Fourth bench. Okay. Third bench. Okay. Third and fourth bench both. Third and fourth bench. Your last bench pending, Allah? Only last bench pending? Correct? Okay. Last bench. Six 00. Deepak. Write Deepak separately. For easy. Formula is there, sir. Again ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First what you need to do? First calculate the Umask. Calculate the Umask, sir. Umask is what to do? You should open vim dot bash underscore profile. Add Umask value. Correct, sir? This unit bash profile, please observe. In bash profile unit Umask space Umask calculate ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ Umask value ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ value. Then save the file. Okay? Do it, sir. Save the file. Everyone should do. Don't speak, don't discuss. Everyone should do. Everyone should do, sir, please. Done, madam. Right. You are doing TMT, sir. You should be in home directory. Batch profile will be in your home directory, not in TMT. First check where you are. Slash home or slash of your username. Or CD tilt. CD tilt got a home directory over there. CD tilt you need to give. No. No. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು after adding batch profile open duplicate session create a file done madam all done anyone required doubts confusion please tell me echo off of your name that's it like how many days July 19 July 19 who all done the tell if you are right tested also correct okay. Now I am going to not working work only on new pen okay. Don't fix that, don't fix that. Don't fix. Open it. You should open the new session, Rita. Open the new session. Get a new file. Not here. Create a new file. Not file. Then you get 0 and 6 The Umask is not a permission. From Umask permission get generated. Back to the Umask mention material. Getting my answer? Abdul now? All done? Everyone done? Who have confusion, please let me know. Anyone, sir? Anyone? All clear, right? Sure? Okay. First bench people. What is your Umask people? Deepak, not Deepak. What? What is your Umask? 006. From Umask permission. Umask gain apply madse adu barala. Correct? From Umask you get a Umask reverse of permission. Permission is reverse of Umask. Getting my from Umask permission get generated. Understand my point, sir? What the Umask you are getting? Umask value not going to come in the permission section. This permission is going to achieve by using Umask. Getting my point? Yes or no? Any doubt? Any doubt there? You three only. No? Come back. Now second batch. What the Umask, sir? 0? 0, 2, 3. Third? 0? Fourth bench? Not bench 41. 0? Umask is for the user, not for the file, not for the folder. Please very clear. Praveen on condition 640. Ajay on condition 600. Every user having a complete right to decide what the permission they require. Whenever I want to create a file, I want to give the groups also access. So I want 660. Aditya don't want to give access for everyone whenever he creating a file. He creating a file with 600 you want. Because he don't want to give access for group also, he don't want to give for the others also. When I create a file, I want to give access for group. Deepak want to give access for everyone. You done? For his humans 000. Correct, sir? Already done. Now, what is the one extra permission coming for folder directory? Master. Correct, sir? This Umask permission what you are applying, that is not only for file, not only for folder. Umask is for the user. Umask is for the user. What is the one extra permission coming for folder? Execute. Existing file permission होता है 111 add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ directory ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Directory exit permission value ಏನು sir? 1. Exit permission value is 1. For existing Umask, you will get a directory plus 111 permission. You don't need to learn both separately file folder. Learn for file, add 111 for the file permission, that will become the directory. For same Umask only. Otherwise, you can learn for directory minus 111 for the file. I feel learning for file is easy, then add 111. But in file permission, I execute martini. First, I will do it. Same permission you are going to get. Correct? Later you can try. Please keep your mind here. Now, Abdana, please. First, my permission, sir. My permission is 640, yeah. 111. If my permission becomes 751. Yes, sir. For you people, first bench people, 660. Become 111. I can do it here only. Become less space. Okay. 660 plus 111. It becomes 771. Yes, sir. For second bench people, it becomes 640 plus 111. 751. That's it. Third bench people, 606 plus 111. 717. Correct? Last bench. It become 711. Deepak will get 777. Now you don't need to try anything. Just create a one directory. You will getting this permission. That's it. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ Umask ಏನೇ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ just create a directory, you will be getting this type of permission. Create a directory. What, sir? Understanding? Big problem agutidira. Sir, you only understanding, sir? Understanding? Surprised? The face. Please complete, sir. Everyone should have got this thing, please. Yes, sir? For existing Umask, we got this permission, sir. Umask is not for file, not for folder. Umask is for the user. Umask is for the user. What is the Umask command we going to do? That is for existing session. If you want to do permanently, we need to add in bash profile. Any changes you want to do for the user permanently, bash profile. Any changes you want to do permanently for the server level, etc. Everyone tried, sir? Everyone create directory, check the permission. Everyone got it right? Umask is not for file or folder. Umask is for the user. Understood my point? Yes, no. Clear? Let me also create. My permission should be 751. MKDIR JJ. LS-LTR 751 na? Yes, sir. This is 7. This is 5. This is 1. Understood my point? From Umask, permission coming. Umask is not the permission. Getting? Any doubts, sir? Correct? From Umask, we are getting the permission. All clear? If you want to know the current Umask value, what is the current Umask value? Type the command Umask. You'll get the know what is the current Umask value. Current Umask value ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Yes, sir? Now, another one point. If you want to know current Umask value, take the command Umask. All done? Now. This we applied the please observe. Now. Understood, sir? All clear, right? Clear? Now. Very much, you should be very much particular on this thing. chmod command use ಮಾಡೋದು existing file ಗೆ. Umask command, well, birth of the file. During the birth of the file or the folder only, for particular user having the right to define what they want. Yes, no? Correct. No. Now, we applied a Umask, we got the particular permission. But previously I not applied Umask. Adu permission barta itto. Yes or no? Before applying Umask also I getting 664 permission. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
How these permissions came? That I am going to extend it. But that no one going to do. That no one going to do. I am also not going to do. I just showing the things where it's coming. Don't do this action in production. What you want, you define in your bash profile. If you, I'm going to show the file now. If you do changes there, it will affect for all 60,000 users. That mistake I have done in startup company. Correct? Correct? Please keep very much sure on this thing. What there, please observe. If nothing has been mentioned in the bash profile, if nothing has been mentioned in bash profile, it's going to take from the file which I'm going to tell you. If you mentioned in the bash profile, it's going to take from the Umask from the bash profile. Please be very clear in this point. If nothing has been mentioned in your bash profile, it's going to take the default Umask. That I'm going to show the file now. If you mention in bash profile, it's going to ignore that default value. It's going to take the this Umask value. Understood, sir? Clear? What is the file responsible that I'm going to show you, but nobody going to edit in future today also. Today also we're going to show the only the value, going to show the file only. Clear, sir? No. If nothing has been mentioned in the Umask in bash profile, where it going to take? I'll go to my root, sir. Where is my root, sir? Just observe, you don't need to do. You don't go to there also, please. It make a habit. I don't want to. Anyone, nobody get the root access, first thing, but suppose you mistakenly give get the root access. If you do these changes, you become critical mistakes. What you want, you do in your bash profile, sir. If you do here, all future existing user, all 60,000 user get affected. For direct login, it will take from the file etc profile. For direct login, duplicate session, new session, it's going to take the entry from Umask etc profile. Want to show the Umask here? Somewhere you can help me out. Umask somewhere entry. Lydia, user ID greater than 199. For direct login ಆದಾಗ inbuilt to direct for one file create ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮುಂಚೆ Umask apply ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. How the permission coming from here? Is coming from here. Direct login. Switch user ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ indirect login it taking from the file etc bash rc bash profile ಬೇರೆ dot bash profile ಬೇರೆ that will under home directory. etc profile is for server level. Now I do previously done for user level. Now we doing changes for server level. Anything under etc server level. Bash profile bash rc user level. Bash rc switch user ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ get under somewhere you must help me out. How the default permission? They may ask a question where the we not applied Umask. How the permission is coming? It taking from default permission from etc profile and etc bash rc. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Yes, no. For particular user, you're going to do in bash profile. Now I make clear on the answer in the point. Whenever you nothing has been mentioned in bash profile or bash rc, it will to take from etc profile, etc bash rc. If anything is mentioned in bash profile, user bash profile, it's going to take from the user bash. Understood? Yes or no? Got, sir? Yes or no, sir? Please practice it. We'll meet tomorrow with a new concept.